Alright, so here we are, back with another update video. It's been a while since I've done one of these, but I wanted to show you the progress. Been doing some paint to it. I started this side first, and then I covered the front end, the nose. I also put some wheel covers on there. I painted up top where those lights are in between where it said school bus. I just kind of blacked out the grill and around the headlights. Painted this side to somewhat match. It's a slow project. We're slowly getting there. Not really rushing it, that's for sure. The tow hitch is working good. I've hauled my side-by-side a couple times, and we've gone camping in it twice now. Of course, I'm filming, sorry about the car noise, I'm filming the worst possible time of day when everybody's getting out of work and going home. Well, let's take a look on the inside. Watch your step. Start off with the curtains, I guess, since they're all closed. It's a little bit dark in here, but I put together all these copper pipes in order to make one long kind of continuous curtain rod, and it goes the whole length all the way to the back. You can pull the curtains together so it pretty much blocks out everything. Open a couple up so we can actually see. There we go. So, what else? I don't know. Oh yeah, I've got the cot in here now. I've moved the couch over to this side. Sorry, it's kind of messy. We kind of just thrown stuff in here, but like I said, we have used it a couple times. I'm able to use the Keurig machine off from the 3000 watt inverter. Move the table over here on this side. The cot works pretty good. At one point we had a leak in the ceiling, and I gotta figure that out. It's something to do with this roof hatch thing. But as of lately, it's been dry and it's been fine, so I don't know what the deal is there. This couch, it's a mattress, it's a bed, but it folds into a couch. Just like that. So I'm going to actually build something that has, instead of the cot, maybe something that's to here and then pulls out when we want to lay the couch down into a bed. But basically, it's going to be kind of a couch until we go to use it to go to sleep. It's an idea anyway. I don't know. We'll see how well it works. But so the mattress itself is very comfortable, so that's good. But yeah, the curtains work good. I just got these little clippy-doo things here that they're like alligator clips. They clip onto the curtain itself. It's run good. I did have a problem with an EGR valve that I had to replace. It was surging a little bit, the idle, and that easily fixed that, so I was glad to have that ironed out. Not sure if I showed you these yet, but I do have two subs, one in the front, one in the back. I am running a capacitor and a 1200 watt amp, and it bumps pretty damn good. But anyway, that's the update video as of what we've got done now, and there will be more to come. Thanks for following along. I'll see you guys in the next one.